Hey beauty lovers, welcome back to Beautyistic. Today we're talking about something we all need in our travel arsenal, a stylish yet practical solution for keeping our hair tools safe and secure on the go. Whether you're jetting off to a tropical destination, heading to the gym, or just packing up for a weekend trip, you know how essential it is to have a way to store your hot tools. So let's dive into the Miamica Good Hair Day Heat-Resistant Hair Tool Bag. This travel bag is designed to keep your flat iron, curling iron, and other hair tools organized and protected, all while looking cute in black and rose gold. The size is perfect for slipping into your suitcase or gym bag, measuring just 5.5 inch by 13 inch by 0.5 inch. And with its heat-resistant lining, you can confidently pack your hot tools without worrying about them damaging your other belongings. What I really love about this bag is the ease of use. It's so simple to toss your hot tools in after styling, and the Velcro closure keeps everything securely inside. Plus, the compact size makes it really portable. I've used it for weekend trips, and it's small enough to fit in almost any bag without taking up too much space, but large enough to hold all the essentials. The design is another standout feature. The embroidery adds a fun, personal touch, and it definitely makes this bag feel more like an accessory than just a functional storage solution. It's lightweight but still sturdy, so you can pack it up and go without worrying about it taking up too much room or feeling bulky. Now let's talk about the performance in real-world use. The heat-resistant lining is an absolute game changer. No more worrying about your hot tools touching your clothes or other items in your bag. I've traveled with it several times, and it holds up perfectly. I've packed my curling iron after styling, and it's never caused any damage or transferred heat onto other items in my bag. It's just incredibly easy to use. No fuss, no stress, just quick and efficient packing. But, like with any product, there are a couple of things to consider. First, while the bag is great for smaller tools, it might not fit larger, bulkier styling irons, especially if you're carrying multiple devices. If you've got larger tools, you may need something a bit bigger. And while the Velcro closure is secure, I can't help but wish it had a zipper for that extra layer of security, especially when you're traveling in crowded areas. When it comes to value for money, I think this bag is worth the price. The quality is solid, and it does exactly what it promises, protecting your hot tools while adding a touch of fun to your travel gear. For those who travel frequently or simply want a cute and practical way to keep their hair tools organized, this is a solid investment. As for alternatives, there are a few similar bags on the market, but the Miamica Good Hair Day bag stands out with its cute design and heat-resistant features. Some cheaper alternatives might lack the heat-resistant lining or the compact design, but they can still do the job if you're on a tighter budget. To wrap it up, if you're someone who travels often, whether it's for work, leisure, or just on the go, the Miamica Heat-Resistant Hair Tool Bag is a fantastic option. It offers both style and functionality, and its heat-resistant properties make it a must-have for anyone who wants to keep their hot tools safe while traveling. It's compact, easy to use, and durable enough to withstand the wear and tear of frequent use. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching today's review. If you've used the Miamica Heat-Resistant Hair Tool Bag, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts and how it worked for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.